Transitioning from local filer to state filer. Municipal candidates who file with their local election officials sometimes decide to run for a different office that files reports with OCPF. For example, a school committee member in a town choosing to run for state representative. Let's look at the 5 steps for making this transition. Step 1. File a new statement of organization with OCPF electronically. To organize, click the Register button at the OCPF website. Registration takes about 10 minutes. Step 2. Submit to OCPF a copy of the last campaign finance report filed with the city or town. Candidates on the local level file the M102 form to disclose activity with local election officials. The M102 form, which will show balance totals from the last report filed, can be scanned and emailed to OCPF. Step 3. File a change of purpose form locally, and with OCPF. The change of purpose form shows the office previously sought, and the new office sought. Step 4. Open a depository bank account. To open a special depository bank account, a D103 form needs to be submitted to OCPF. The D103 form is signed by the bank, which will file reports on the candidate's behalf. Most candidates already have an open bank account before making the transition. Those funds will need to be transferred to the new account. Step 5. File a transition and report with OCPF. The transition and report discloses activity, if any, between the last report filed locally and when the new bank account was created. Filers will need assistance from an OCPF auditor to create the transition and report. At this point, the transition to OCPF is complete. However, if a candidate continues to seek office at both the state and local levels, reports will be filed at both levels. In summary, Step 1. Register organize. Step 2. File a copy of the M102 with OCPF. Step 3. File a change of purpose form. Step 4. Open a bank account. Step 5. File a transition and report.